Now we start our next lecture, that is about laws of friction. Professor Coulomb, after extensive experiments, gave some laws of friction which may be grouped under the following heads. First is laws of static friction. Second one is laws of kinetic or dynamic friction. So first we discuss about laws of static friction. The force of friction always acts in a direction opposite to that in which the body tends to move if the force of friction would have been absent. Second, the magnitude of the force of friction is exactly equal to the force which tend to move the body. Third point is the magnitude of limiting friction bears a constant ratio to the normal reaction between the two surfaces. So mathematically F upon R is constant, where F is the limiting friction and R is the normal reaction. Normal reaction जैसा कि as I discussed earlier, the normal reaction act when the surface is inclined at any angle, then the plane or surface will exert a normal force in perpendicular direction, and this is called the normal reaction. The force of friction is independent of the area of contact between the two surfaces. Means the force of friction is independent of the area of contact between the two surfaces. The force of friction depends upon the roughness of the surface. Means ऐसा नहीं है कि एरिया अगर ज़्यादा है या कम है तो फ्रिक्शन डिपेंड करेगा. फ्रिक्शन डिपेंड्स अपॉन द रफनेस between the two surfaces. Okay, next one is the laws of kinetic or dynamic friction. So following are the laws of kinetic or dynamic friction. The force of friction always acts in a direction opposite to that in which the body is moving. क्योंकि dynamic friction है तो in this condition the body will be in the motion. The magnitude of kinetic friction bears a constant ratio to the normal reaction between the two surfaces, but this ratio is slightly less than that in case of limiting friction. For moderate speeds, the force of friction remains constant, but it decreases slightly with the increase of speed. Means its value is decreases as the speed is increases. Now we discuss about the equilibrium of a body on a rough horizontal surface. इक्विलिब्रियम का मीन्स मैंने आपको यूनिट नंबर फर्स्ट में भी बताया था. इक्विलिब्रियम का मीन्स है कि आफ्टर नंबर ऑफ फोर्सेस बॉडी इज इन रेस्ट कंडीशन. ओके, so we know that a body lying on a rough horizontal plane will remain in equilibrium, but whenever a force is applied on it, the body will tend to move in the direction of the force. जिस डायरेक्शन में हम फोर्स अप्लाई कर रहे हैं उसी डायरेक्शन में बॉडी आपके पास मूव करने की कोशिश करेगी. इन सच केसेस इक्विलिब्रियम ऑफ द बॉडी इज स्टडीड फर्स्ट बाय रिजोल्विंग द फोर्सेज हॉरिजॉन्टली एंड then vertically. Now the value of the force of friction is obtained from the relation, जैसे कि हमने previous lecture में पढ़ा था. a force of friction F is equals to mu into R, and where mu is the coefficient of friction and R is the normal reaction. So we finish out today lecture.